Do not buy the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 yet. I have the best sneaker bag in front of me. Let me show you guys how awesome Sole Premise bags really are. So first of all, the quality is phenomenal. Very, very nice high quality leather in this very nice blue color. They have tons and tons of colors, tons of styles of bags. Right here is the duffel bag, and as you guys can see, I have a bunch of my favorite sneakers in here, so I'm ready to go, man. I'm ready to travel. I got all my favorite shoes with me, and as you guys can see, I have more room on the side. What's here? Ooh, I got my Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s chilling right here as well. And on the other side, I have more room for another pair of shoes as well. I just took out a pair of shoes, but plenty of room in Sole Premise bags. Make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below in the description. And make sure you guys use my discount code DannyMoore for 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Absolutely love Sole Premise bags. They're the only bag I take with me when I travel. And Sole Premise bags are made for sneakerheads. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bags. Make sure you guys check them out. Once again, the link is down below. With my discount code, get yourself some money off and get yourself a fire bag to go with your sneakers for when you travel. All different types of backpacks, duffel bags, different styles, different materials, different colors. Check them out, link down below. Do not buy the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal yet. This sneaker releases tomorrow, April 17th. This sneaker is going to be very tough to get. It retails for $170 for the men's, $130 for the grade school. Leave a comment down below right now. Let me know, are these a cop or are they a drop for you? If this is a cop, spam up those comments down below with a bunch of fire emojis. If they're a drop, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who in the Moore family wants this sneaker. If you guys are interested in winning this sneaker for free, that's right, for free, I am giving away a pair, this pair right here actually. All you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, make sure you guys leave a comment down below, and then give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369. DM me with proof that you did everything. That's all you guys need to do. It's very, very simple. Get your entries in for the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s. I'll be picking a winner in a few weeks. This is a very dope shoe. Now, let's talk about why I think this sneaker, I'm going to tell you guys, do not pay resale. Do not buy this sneaker right now. Do not. If you get it for retail tomorrow, of course, right? But if you're looking to invest in this sneaker or looking for personal pairs, I'm going to tell you guys right now to hold off. Hold off, because this sneaker is going to have restocks, which I will do another video talking about restocks, how you guys can cop, where restocks will be happening, everything like that, exposing the restocks, everything like that. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Tomorrow is just the first initial release of the sneaker. This sneaker is going to be popping up in stores near you and online and a bunch more throughout the next month. Guys, do not pay resale for this Jordan 1 yet. Do not buy the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 yet. Very, very dope shoe. They're definitely going to go up in price. I could title this video, Do Not Sell the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit and tell you guys, don't buy them yet. Do not pay resale yet, because we're going to get more pairs, right, in circulation. Resale will drop. Right now, I know you guys are wondering, numbers, Danny, talk numbers, so I'm going to. I believe tomorrow that this sneaker is actually going to go up in price a little more. The reason I say that is because I think a lot of people are going to take L's. More L's than what people think is going to wind up happening with this sneaker. I think a lot of people are anticipating to cop for retail, when in fact most people are not going to. I think that this sneaker is going to go up a little bit in price tomorrow, maybe to $480, $500. They'll definitely go up a little bit more, I think, tomorrow and over the weekend. When people get pairs in online, it will drop the price down, and throughout the next month, as restocks happen, as pairs circulate more, this sneaker will drop. Prices will drop. Prices will drop. So be cautious. Be hesitant to pay resale right away. Look, guys, I know they're a dope shoe. I know for a lot of people, this right here might be the Jordan 1 of the year when it comes to, like, you know, a general release, sort of say Jordan, or more mass-produced Jordan, not including the trophy rooms. So I think for this sneaker, it's a very, very dope shoe for a lot of people. Personally, I like the University Blues more. I know that might be a hot take, but I like the University Blues more, personally. I don't think it's close. personally. That's just me. But I do think this is a very dope shoe nonetheless. Very, very nice. And I really like the quality that they used. I think the materials are dope. Clean colorway. Clean colorway, and I'm looking to give away this pair, so make sure you guys once again enter the giveaway, get your entries in. I do think that over time, 100%, it's very obvious these will go up in price. So with that being said, let's talk about resale. I want to tell you guys that this sneaker obviously is going to go for nothing less, in my opinion, than probably $380. That might be even too low. Probably $380, $390. The lowest you might be able to scoop a pair locally for. This is gonna go to $600-$700. I do think that this, in my opinion, is a better shoe. Turbo Greens. I'm not a fan of the Turbo Green. I think a lot of people like this shoe more, so this shoe resale-wise could do better potentially over time, better than the Turbo Green. Turbo Greens took a while to go up, right? They took quite a bit of time. Not only that, they also were not that hyped when they dropped. This sneaker's already hyped from the jump. You know, the new resale on hype Jordan 1s is no longer $300. We're looking at $450. That's what we're really looking at with the new hype Jordan 1s. Back in the day, you used to get Jordan 1s for like $250, $300. The hype ones. Red 1s for like $250, $300. Now, if they drop red 1s, guys, they'd be, what, $500, $600 right off the jump. So, it's crazy, man. This shoe is crazy. It's a very dope shoe. Very, very nice. Let me know what you guys think about them. Are they a cop? Drop, leave a comment down below in the comments what you guys are doing with your pairs if you do wind up picking up some pairs. I want to tell you guys a little update. I do have a vlog coming tomorrow. If you guys want, let me know, leave a comment. I went to the mall the other day. I filled out the raffle entry, in-store raffle for University Blue Jordan 1s. I believe it was a one-day raffle entry. Yeah, I got the phone call and I'm going to pick up a pair. So, if you guys want me to do a vlog, I can do that. Pick them up for retail tomorrow on Saturday, so that's awesome. I'm not going to wind up picking these up for retail in store tomorrow. Stores canceled reservations for grade school pairs on me, so even men's were not getting, you know, I'm not getting them in store. It doesn't look like I'm getting them in store tomorrow, but I do have them in hand, so I can still drop some content. I'll drop a video talking about restocks, how to cop and all that tomorrow as well, because there'll be a bunch of restocks on this shoe. I know a lot of you guys want this shoe, so be sure to stay tuned to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I'll drop a video talking more about this beautiful Air Jordan 1 before I go ahead and give them away. Grade school pairs of this Jordan 1, man, are going to be very hard to get as well. Tomorrow is going to be a crazy, crazy, crazy release for this sneaker. Guys, good luck. Let me know, cop, drop. Once again, if they're a cop, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If they're a drop, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who wants the cop, man. Who wants them? If you want a free pair, once again, make sure you guys enter the giveaway. Just hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, give me a follow on Instagram, and DM me proof. That's all you guys need to do. Brand new size 8 Hyperoyal Jordan 1s. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. More family, I absolutely love you guys. More content on the way. Hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think about these Hyperoyal Air Jordan 1s. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.